Well, there is more pressure on President Obama tonight to override the law in this state legalizing pot.
A group of 8 former DEA chiefs put out a letter today asking the U.S. attorney to sue the state of Washington. Here's John Hopperstad with why they want this law stopped in its tracks.
They can see all aspects of what they need from marijuana.
Dante Jones just opened this dispensary in Ballard for medical marijuana patients. He hopes it will also be one of the first pot retail stores in the state open to everyone.
Like when you used to walk into a liquor store or still walk into a liquor store, you know what you're getting, you know what you're looking at, and there's details on every single product as to what it is and what it does.
Jones is just waiting for the Liquor Control Board to set rules on retail pot. There is a growing voice from a powerful group hoping that wait lasts forever.
This is an issue that needs to be addressed, and it needs to be addressed now.
Peter Bessinger is one of 8 former chiefs of the Drug Enforcement Administration calling on the president to shoot down the pot laws in Washington and Colorado. Marijuana is still illegal federally, and he worries about what is already happening in our state.
If you make it available for recreational use, they're going to use it. So this is a big, big challenge for Washington. Employers, schools, students, police, highways. This is going to be a disaster if this is allowed to be implemented.
Bessinger is accusing U.S. Attorney Eric Holder of dragging his feet on the issue. Holder hasn't said what he'll do about Washington's pot law, but if he decides to sue, he'll get a fight.
We hope to avoid a costly legal battle, but that we're ready in the state of Washington if it comes to that.
Washington Attorney General Bob Ferguson was against pot legalization, but he says he will defend the will of the people. Dante Jones says he's also preparing for anything, but he doesn't seem worried about a group of former drug enforcement heads putting pressure on the president.
I'm in some ways excited because they're realizing that the war on drugs that they've been foisting on us for the last 30, 40 years is finally at an end, and marijuana is about to be taken out of it.
We may know more tomorrow about where U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder stands on all this. He's not expected to make a decision, but he will be going before the Senate Judiciary Committee, and they're expected to ask him a lot of questions about the pot law in Washington. Back to you.